Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the custom reports tab. I think this is not only this one but this I think is the top of the all the others of everything that's here. It's the smallest, but I think it's the greatest in generating reports. I don't know if it's clear enough, because in my opinion it is clear, but in case not, let me just show you. You have custom reports. As you see, this is split it in two sides based on the color. Left side with this light blue, and the right side here. Here I have this merged, and I think this is, and the right side with this light yellow. This is filter 1, and this is filter 2. This is filter 1 results, and this is filter 2 results. Basically what you can do with this, it is, I don't know how to say it, it's all depending to you. You can do whatever you like. You can get any reports you'd like. You can get any report side by side based on your needs. You have year, start month, end month, handled by all customers, location, category, subcategories, and you also have, sorry for that, and you also have filter by fault. Both filters are identical, but each one is generating you the result separately. So as a short scenario, in case you want to see complaints for January to March, and you want to see from April to June. So first 3 months with the next 3 months for from 2025. Okay, all the complaints. You have the results here, January to March, April to June. You had 20 complaints, as you see, 20 complaints in first 3 months, and 4 complaints in the next three. You have more than $4,000 lost in the first 3 months, and less than 500 in the next 3 months. You have three complaints fully refunded with the item received back, and two with item not received back in the first 3 months, fully refunded, none in the next 3 months. We have 5 complaints not valid in the first 3 months, 0 complaints not valid, 6 partially refund with amount lost, and 3 partially found. You get the idea. Everything is presented based on the filters. Uh, Below you have this very simple table, and this is dynamic. It will be presented. It will present you the data, complaints number, volume of complaints, and the total dollar lost only for the selected month. So from January to March, and for April to June. If we extend this interval from April to September, you see everything has been updated. 7 complaints, 3 not valid, 3 partial refund, and so on. And the table has been also updated, allowing you and presenting you a resume of everything based on the specific month. So we have 2 complaints with the amount lost over $300. Just imagine what you can do with that. For example, I want to see all the complaints. Let me do something January to June, and July first semester with the second one, July to December for 2025. You can only compare January to December with 2024 with January with December 2025, but I have no data recorded for 2024. But just imagine, you can use any combination you use here. If you have complaints recorded in your log system, then the report, it will be presented to you. Just imagine what you can do with all these filters and this side by side dual filter report. Okay, and as you see, for the first half of the year, January to June and July to December, you have a breakdown of every complaint you have. In the first half of the year, 9 complaints where the employees was found guilty, 5 where the customers was found, 5 where the department was found guilty, and as you see, till the end of 2025, everything got a bit easier for the company, because less and less complaints had been recorded and less employees were found guilty. In reality, I have no complaints recorded for the end of 2025, but just imagine with a real case scenario, and when you will record the complaints, real complaints, what kind of statistical data and what kind of reports can you generate with this. One more case scenario for this. Let's just see. I want to see my customer. I want to see how many in the first half of the year was because of the customer's fault. Customer, and select the customer again. Customer here and customer, and as you see, you have the report where the customer has been found guilty on the first half of the year compared to the second half of the year. So we have 5 complaints where customer has been found guilty, and 1 because of the customer in the second. Same thing you can do with the departments. Select all department, select all departments again, and you will see that 5 complaints in the first half, none in the second half of the year, as you see here presented. And here, and you want to see when I'm sorry for this, when these complaints happened. It was 4 in January and 1 in April, when the departments has been found guilty, to say so. And if you want to go forward, I want to see department 2. I don't know if there's something for department 2, but department 2, oh, it is. Department 2 was found guilty for the first half of the year of 2 complaints, and he generated $50 lost in January. Okay, and imagine what you can do forward with all the other filters. Basically, you can filter everything till the last piece of it. You can filter by employee who handle, by specific customer, by specific location, by specific category and subcategory, and you can combine every filter from here. You can granulate this based on everything. There is not there isn't any restrictions, so you can combine everything. I want to see complaints handled by William Brown in first half of the year, with how many complaints William Brown has been handled in the second half of the year. I see in first half William Brown has been handled 9 complaints. In the second half of the year, only 1. Why? Maybe he is in maternity and paternity. William Brown, I don't know. It's not possible. But maybe I want to see from January to December. Let's do it right this January, December. I don't know. I'm just giving you idea of how many things you can do with this. I want to compare how many complaints William Brown handled from January to December compared to Ava White, to see which one worked more. And I see William Brown handled 10 complaints for 2025, January to December, while Ava White handled 12 complaints. Just imagine how many things you can accomplish with this kind of filter. Everything else it's just up to you. You just have to click and select. Okay, I want to keep it short, so hoping I was clear enough. See you in the next video, where I'm going to quickly present you customers and locations in one shot. Thank you, have a good day.